Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this studded jellyfish in Fish It Roblox. So this jellyfish is a legendary catch in Fish It, and to find this item is actually pretty not so easy, but you can get it if you patience. So what you need to do first is head into the classic island, as I do in here, and go inside the iron cavern, teleport to the iron cavern, and then in here you just need to go straight until you find this fishing spot inside the iron cavern in here. So I got the iron cavern actually in this fishing spot, so you can just go to the right, and this is where I got the studded jellyfish. And for this road, I'm using the Astra road and the chroma bait. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.